Hey guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and today I am making some DIY spring cleaner.
Gonna love you, honey, on and on and on. I'm a morning dove singing out a song.
The calendar says it's been spring for quite some time. Outside the window says otherwise. I am looking at snow right now and it is April. But in any case, I like to change out my hand soap for a spring scent and my DIY all-purpose cleaner. So I did a little project recently and thought I'd take you along. Hope you enjoy. First, we'll do my all-purpose spray. I have these really cool amber bottles, and all I do is put in vinegar half the way, fill it up with water, and then some essential oil. I really like lemon essential oil, especially for the springtime. It adds some cleaning boost power and it smells so fresh and clean. I'm doing about 10 drops in each bottle. I use this on glass, on surfaces, basically everything, except you shouldn't use it on granite. Vinegar is not safe for that. So everything else, I use this every day. I use it to clean my toilets even. Now I'm going to do a linen spray with some rubbing alcohol and water and some more essential oil. Today I'm going to use lemon, copaiba, and purification. So I'm using half a cup of the alcohol. You can also use vodka if you have that on hand. So I'll just, like the all-purpose spray, fill the rest with water, and then I'll be putting in the essential oils. I'm doing 15 drops of copaiba, 15 drops of lemon, and 5 of purification. You can play around with it. It's kind of whatever you like. And I use this about once a week on our bedding, the curtains, our couches. It really helps to freshen the room up. As I was saying, the all-purpose vinegar cleaner isn't great on granite, and we are about to get some new countertops. So since I have all my tools up, I thought I would make this all-purpose cleaner from Young Living from their Thieves line. I'm just adding 1 capful of this to my bottle. It's very concentrated. Fill the rest with water, and I'm all ready for when our new countertops get put in. All right, lastly, I like to buy my hand soap in bulk. I have some really fun hand pumps that I got from Target. And I like to change the scents out for fall and winter, and then another one for spring and summer. So in here for the winter, I had like a cedarwood scent, which I really liked, but like I said, I wanted to change it for spring. I still had some left, so I put everything in one of the bottles. And in our guest bathroom is still my winter scent. And then in the rest, I am going to put in the Mrs. Meyer's olive oil and basil scent. I think it smells so good, and again, very springy. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you are new. Find me on Instagram at Danielle Gets It Done. And whatever your plans are today, I hope you get them done. Bye guys.